what is clear cache and clear data option on smartphone and how to use that. Before continue, this audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose and read description also. So step 1, go to settings of your Android smartphone. Check in app list or notification area of smartphone with settings icon or symbol. Step 2, look for application options in settings. Note app settings might look different. It depends on user interface UI of smartphone. Also can search it or if search option is available. Then select application manager option or any other option if showing on screen. Then select an app which you want to clear data or clear cache. Step 3, after select an app which you want to clear data or clear cache, select storage option. Now, what is difference between clear cache and clear data? If you select clear data option, so all data will delete in that app or application, but it will not affect your account like email account, social media accounts. If going to select clear all data option, so before that also take backup or note down details, and if select clear cache, temporary files of that app will delete it. And if you delete clear cache for a web browser which helps to open websites, so maybe history will removed. And clear cache is also good for smartphones. It will help to increase storage by clearing this clear cache temporary data files. So select clear cache option, and if you want to delete all, select storage manager, then scroll down and select clear all data and OK. And also here is message will show data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, account, database, etc. Select OK or select clear data option. And our videos digital also available as podcast format, so check Google Podcast and other podcast platforms. Okay Google, open Google Podcast. Also log on to ourvideosdigital.blogspot.com. Wear masks and follow health guidelines to stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching or listening.